Toby, did you hear that? Is the tree crying? Shh, let's find out. Wow, what a beautiful flower! I want it! Oh no. Chloe, please be gentle with flowers. Look! The water is running away! Turn off the tap, Chloe. Water is precious. Yes, precious. Don't be mad, Chloe. Look through my magic glass. Nature has a secret. Wow. It's a tiny city. What is that? It's shining. It shows the truth. Look, Chloe. Clean water wakes up the sleepy seeds. Oh no! The water is disappearing! When we waste the tap water, the underground world goes dry. Let me see again. Look closely, Chloe. I understand now. Water is precious. Look at the rose bush now, Chloe. It looks very sad. Let's see what the flowers feel. Can it show me?
When a branch breaks, the nature whisper stops. The plant gets thirsty and cannot feed its roots.
I am so sorry, little Rose. I didn't know you were hurting. Let's save the nature together. Yes, count me in. We love nature. Let's go! Here is our first mission, Chloe. We must clean up around this tiny sprout. I will pick up the trash. Good job, Chloe.
Look through the lens. The soil is breathing now.
I will make an umbrella for you. That is very kind, Chloe. Wow! Look, Chloe! The sprout is smiling under your umbrella. I did it! I can protect nature too! Yes, you are an eco-warrior. Wait, do you hear that clicking sound? It's coming from the secret hole. Look! The tree hole is a golden tunnel. Let's go inside.
Welcome to the root highways. These roots share energy with the whole forest.
Oh my goodness! Look at him! He is wearing a tiny hat. Wow! They are working together. 1, 2, 3, lift!
Can you hear them, Chloe? Yes. They are whispering thank you.
The ants are recycling the dry leaf. They make food for the precious nature.
Wow! Look at the tiny kingdom. It is a beautiful city under the ground.
This is the grain storehouse. They keep seeds safe and dry for winter.
Look at the cleaning squad. They always sweep their home clean. They are so organized. Even tiny ants keep their home clean. Yes, we should be like them.
But look, Chloe, Our trash blocks their beautiful highways.
I promise, little ants, I will never litter again. Good. Let's get ready for the big cleanup. Ha! I have my magic picker. Greenleaf team, let's clean up!
Look closely inside the rose branch. The energy is fading away.
Oh, look at the flower sprite. She feels tired because she has no water. I am so sorry, beautiful garden. I will help you feel better now. Here is some clean water for you. Drink up, little flowers.
Fantastic. The roots are drinking the water. They are getting strong and happy again.
Look! The flower sprite is waking up. She is dancing. She is happy.
Nature is our friend. Let's protect it. Watch me. I can find more trash.
You are doing great, Chloe.
Dry leaves go into the green bin. Plastic and metal go into the blue bin. And leaf in the green, can in the blue. Yay! Perfect score, Chloe.
Fantastic. Organic waste turns into good soil compost. It makes the earth very rich and healthy.
Look, team. No more trash around the flowers.
It is so shiny and beautiful. My watering can is empty now. Let's run to the tap. I am fast. We sort the trash. We protect our home. Hello, friends. Look over here. Let's join our green team today. Come here, guys. We have a big secret to show you. Under the ground, there is a tiny city. The trees and ants can whisper to us. Take a look through my magic glass. Nature is waiting for you. I want to join too. Welcome to the Green Alliance.
Wow! More eco-warriors are coming. Let's make our park beautiful together!
We are the Green Alliance. 1, 2, 3, go! Team 1, clean the lawn. On it! Pick it up, pick it up.
Click, click! Gotcha, little paper! I am winning the race!
Let's wipe the stone fountain. Make it shine like new.
Wonderful! The pipeline is safe now. The clean water flows smoothly everywhere.
Look! The big plastic blocking cup is gone! The ant highway is open! Hooray!
Our park is completely healed now. It is the most beautiful home for everyone. We did it! Greenleaf Park is happy again. Look at the park now, Toby. It feels so peaceful.
Because we cared for it, Chloe.
The earth is our shared home. Protecting nature means protecting our lives. Look! Look! The magic particles are dancing. They are saying thank you to us. Protect the